What is it? Is it a car? Is it a motorcycle? Is it an ATV? Is it a tricycle? Let's find out.
Smog check.
It's a nice color. Kanaka Maori. And is this color stock?
Yeah, for this year it is.
Rim stock, or is this no? These are aftermarket.
The stock rims are in the boxes over there.
Oh, nice. I like the red and gold contrast. Oh, yeah, the speakers in the back, are they stock too, or that's all upgraded? Sheesh. It's a slingshot.
Yeah, we actually have a group. Well, and there's several groups out there.
So you take the steering wheel off.
Yeah. Brian, you can take your wife.
Oh, I'm thinking about it.
Huh? Take your wife.
Belt,
start it up.
belt driven. Okay, I got this exhaust pipe back here.
Start it up for you.
All right.
I have to put in a code.
Oh, nice. It's a 3 wheels. This is a carbon fiber spoiler. Slingshot. This is just a fiberglass roof?
Plastic.
Oh, just all, okay.
Bring it on.
This is a 2017.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a list of the upgrades right here. You named it. Kanaka Maori. Wow, that's cool. Headers and everything. This is a 2017. Beautiful color. It's a stock color. Slingshot SL trim. Lots of upgrades. Rims, tires, engine parts to include headers, cold air intake, exhaust. Exhaust was upgraded too. I mean, you heard it earlier, the sound system, cameras, speakers, carbon fiber spoiler. The roof is an add-on. It's just, I mean, I don't think there's anything left to modify on this car. It is a masterpiece. And you saw the underglow lighting. This is beautiful.
I don't know if I can't remember if we got this off Amazon.